students, welcome back to social studies. Yes, what all we studied about previous class? We studied about Christianity and Roman Empire and Europe, right? Yes, now we'll go through that emergency to Constantinople. We'll see in the 18 AD of 313, a major development took place which changed the course of history in Constantine. Yes, as well as the Roman Empire shift to the capital from the Rome to the new place is known as Constantinople. Yes, actually, what happened in that 1330 AD on those major development has took few changes in the course of history. What all is that in Constantinople? Yes, we can see the Roman Empire. They shifted their capital to the from Nome to new place that is known as Constantinople. Why that Constantinople came? Yes, the Roman Empire shifted their capital to from Rome to new place. Which place? That each and everything we'll see at further. So that is known as Constantinople. The Constantinople remained that most important Christianity city more than 1,000 years. Wow, see children, more than the 1,000 years that that Constantinople is remains a same. The Saint Peter Church of a Roman was declared as a religious headquarter of a Christianity, and bishops of this church become that religious head over the Christians. Yes, in Saint Peter, the church in Roman was declared as a religious as a headquarter of the Christianity. Who who is who declared that headquarters of a Christianity? Yes, Saint Peter, right? Yes, and the bishops of a church become the religious head of the Christianity. Yes, the bishops were made that church became the religious head of Christians, right? Yes, next we'll see the Eastern and Western Rome. The periods of that fifth and to the 11th century, the European is known as the Dark Ages. When was the Dark Ages were called as? In the century of 5th to 11th century is known as European as a Dark Ages. Yes, this was the period when the might be Roman Empire that disintegrated because of the repeated attacks by the barbarian tribes like that Goths, Franks, and that Vandals in 1395 AD, and the Roman Empire was divided into two major parts. One is the eastern part in the capital at the Constantinople, which came to know that a Byzantine Empire was the western part of the Protectant. In the Pope of the Roman is called as capital, that Eastern Roman Empire that collapsed in 476 AD, but the church continued with all power of its and glory. Yes, children, actually what happened on those days, that periods, it might be on Roman Empire. What it was repeatedly attacked by the barbarian tribes. For whom? For Roman empires. Because of what? Because like the Gotha, Franks, and Vandals, those places continuously they were the attacking. Because in 1395 AD, the Roman Empire was divided into two parts. First one is Eastern Empire. First one is Eastern and Western. Both they were divided. So after the division, the eastern part has become the capital of Constantinople. What the eastern become as a head or headquarter of the Constantinople. When they came to know that Byzantine Empire was the western part of the protected by the Pope Roman as its capital. Actually, when the eastern part became the capital of Constantinople, on the time that Byzantine Empire were there, no, they actually known as Byzantine Empire. Later, what happened? The Western was part under the protect of Pope and Roman as its capital. In Easter, what all we can see? In Easter, we can see Constantinople. it was a capital, right? But in Western, we can see Pop and Rome as a its capital. Okay, Rome as its capital. So on the time what happened, the East Roman Empire collapsed in 1470 AD. Yes, that Western Roman as its capital, those people as collapsed that Western Constantinople in 476 AD. But the church continued in all the powers of glory. But church did not defected, or church did not got any affected. Only the fight where happens from east to west, from east capital to west capital, so that the west capital has collapsed that east capital. Okay, but the church was going very powerful as it's with glory. Barbarian invasion of the Goth at Valane, Frank, the periods of in 76 AD to 18 CE, when there was the Roman Empire of the West as the marked that frequently a warfare of the virtual dispersion of the urban. It is also in the period of that migration period, dark ages or earlier middle ages or earlier medieval periods of the Western European history was the saw that movement of that called that Barbarian peoples. It was the one with the tributes such as the Huns and Goths and Valadan that balance and the fracks into that where it has been that Western Roman Empire in the migrated periods of those times the dispersed migration within the European, the middle and the first millennium many of the migration were moved in the Germanic and Slavic and other peoples into the territory of the Roman Empire with or without any accompanying invasion war. Actually, what happened in there, that barbarian invention was the cause. What they did, the Eastern people, the Western people was the Western people has to collapse that Eastern people, right? Yes, on those days that what happened on the on from 476 AD to 800 CE, approximate 4 CE, it was that under that Roman Empire, because they collapsed that Eastern peoples, right? So all that Constantinople was under the Roman Empire and under the Western. They were marked that frequently welfare, that virtual dispersion of urban life. Why? Because on those period it was called as migration period. So what all that migration period they disappeared from the virtual. Yes, dark ages and early middle ages, or they were early medieval, that previous and western European history saw that movement, so that it is called as barbarian peoples. Yes, actually what happened, dark ages and what all that middle ages or dark ages, that what all that earlier middle peoples were then in that particular western Europe history, they saw that movement. That movement of is only the called as barbarian peoples. Okay, they were the banded the tribals such as Huns and Goths and Wallis and Bulgaris and Alini and Subeni and Fracni, into what all they be that Western Roman Empire. Those and all the tributes has been we can see at the Western Roman Empire. Yes, the migration period was this on this time they were widespread the migration within or into that European middle, that first million AD, and many migration movement were that Germanic and Slavic and other peoples was territory than Roman Empire with or without accompanying invasion war. Later on, what happened? No, again that after occupying that eastern, the western peoples, what they did, Rome people, they demolished that constant of eastern and they occupied everything, right? Later on what happened, they got it again, that western people got it war with the whom, with the European middle first millennium AD. After that migration movement, Germany, that slavery, what all it happens, that territory it was of in the end of Roman Empire. And after that Roman Empire, actually what happened? Without accompanying invasion of that war, what happened? They inventions in were there wars. Such a twisting about western, eastern and European peoples, right? That western peoples has demonished that eastern people, and the eastern people all occupies about that western peoples, and western people again got war between that Europe. Again Europe demonished that western. And about crusaders we'll see at next class. Okay, bye students, meet you up at the next class.